Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Superantigens are produced by all of the following pathogens except superantigens are produced by Staphylococcal aureus, rabies and HIV. Enterococcus faecalis does not produce any superantigens. Thank you. Superantigen is a bacterial product that this superantigen will bind to T cell receptor, beta chain of T cell receptor, thus stimulating the T cell activation. This binding of B7 and CD28 molecules is in normal antigen, not in T cell antigen production, not in toxic, super antigen. Thank you. Superantigens are, so if you see superantigens, they are toxic shock syndrome of Staphylococcal toxic shock syndrome is the superantigen. Okay, so even erythrotoxin is a superantigen, but it is not produced by staphylococcal, it is produced by streptococcus. So what is superantigen? It is staphylococcal toxic shock syndrome is a superantigen. Thank you. All of the following statements about carbohydrate antigen are true. Carbohydrate antigen, all are true except carbohydrate antigen has no immunogenicity. Yes, maximum immunogenicity is present for proteins. Memory response is seen with carbohydrate antigen. No, memory response is not seen with carbohydrate antigen. And actually, this carbohydrate antigen works by T independent antigen. Because it is T independent antigen, it will directly stimulate carbohydrate antigen, directly stimulate B cells, thus resulting in antibody production. So there is no T helper cells or T helper cells which are responsible for memory. So there is no memory response. It causes polyclonal activation of B cells, true. Does not require stimulation of T cells, true. So the false statement is memory response is not seen actually.
thank you and thank you for watching.